Hi, this is Jim, Property Inspector LLC in the Greater Sierra Idle area, and we are always looking for safety issues. This little stairway is required to have a handrail, but most importantly, the blocks have actually started settling and falling forward, so it's a very, very slippy situation. And we've got a little deck up here, and as you can see, let me pull it in, this is the step riser. It's supposed to be supported the entire bottom of that board, and it's supported about 4 inches, and the other 8 inches is not supported. So just another great tip from Property Inspector LLC. We are always worried about your safety. Give us a call when you need an inspection. Thanks.